So you mentioned your dog.
Yeah.
What kind of dog you got?
I have a Rottweiler Lab mix.
Ooh.
Yeah, so my family back home actually owns a doggy daycare. And my stepsister owns 2 doggy daycares. So we're a big dog family. She's 2 years old, COVID puppy. Got her, but it was super nice. I was home all the time during COVID, so she's great. You can literally hang her. She can hang around anybody, and she'll be perfectly fine. She likes humans more than she likes other dogs.
That's awesome.
So, yeah, we just hang out. We hiked the Y together. We went to the Alpine Loop, did some of that stuff together. And I mean, I would expect for her to be a little bit more stressed out with adjustment, but I think with so much stuff to do, it's been super nice for her.
Yeah.
So it's been a lot better than I expected it to be for sure.